On the relocation of hawkers, this is an exercise that is ongoing, and despite various challenges, we are happy that today we have the busiest commercial hub of the city, which has been retransferred for use of pedestrians and with the successful relocation of vendors. So, the natural question would be what happens to other areas of the city? In a phased manner, the state government will continue to clear and relocate hawkers from Laitumkhrah Civil Hospital Point, Joy, up to Motphran. These are major commercial areas, and we have a target date of completing all relocation and decongesting of these areas by November this year. No, we have just taken an in principle decision. In principle, we will move to the next sites, which are the sites I have mentioned. Details of how many and relocation plans will be worked out, and then only I will come back to you.
So, is there any possibility for those who haven't received the COB, like those who were rejected, how can they apply, or what happens to those? Because last time we witnessed some of them protesting also.
You see, this constitution of the TVCs has taught us quite a few lessons, and based on what we have learned from the Khandaila experience, we should be in a position to improve the way we function when it comes to the other areas. Yeah. Okay.